Good morning, crypto fans. It is June 26th. It is a Monday. It is around 9:40 a.m., and I'm going to do a quick market update. So, as we can all see here, the market is bleeding, absolutely bleeding. We got Bitcoin hovering around 2,500. We got Ethereum hovering below $300. Holy crap, $286. What is going on? Is it just dipping? People are just selling, cashing in. Are people going to buy? I mean, that's the real question. Is this bubble crashing? No one really knows. Sources are telling me that it is a bubble. It always will be a bubble. Other sources are saying, no, we've hit a point where it's not a bubble. There's some value. So it all really depends on those sources and what people believe. It's all about the people and what they believe and what the usage is of these coins. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the biggest winners and the biggest losers of the last 24 hours based on the top 100 coins based on volume. So we're going to filter it right now. The biggest winners, we got Clocoin at 46% increase. We got Byteball, 2.7 increase. We got Obits, 2.33. And then we get the rest are kind of just even. BitBoy, 1%. Tether, I mean, that's kind of like, that goes against the dollar. Nothing too crazy. It's 65-cent increase. Essentially what that means is the dollar went up in value maybe a little bit, and so did Tether. Let's see the biggest losers, which is going to be a bigger side because the market as a whole is down. So we got Pure Plays down 35%. We got SuperNet down 31.98, basically 32. Numeraire down 31%. I saw that coming because it was so high. And Etherall also really high the other day as well at 26%. And we got Viacoin at negative 23.5%. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to all the coins. And I just want to show everyone something real quick because this is crazy. When you look at all the coins, and there's like over 800 different types of currencies, if you filter it by the last 7 days percentage, right? Look at AllSafe. Holy shit, look at this. 1.9 million% increase with only a volume of $38,000. Like, how does that even happen? Over the weekend, I did a report on Saturday, but on Sunday, it was up to about almost 4 million%. Now, obviously, it went down, but that's still ridiculous. How does this happen when there's no volume? How does the price increase so much over 3 or 4 days into the millions of percentage with barely any volume? This is raising some eyebrows, but if you owned AllSafe like 5 days ago, you're in a good position. The only problem is there anyone there to buy right now when you're trying to sell? That's the biggest thing. Who's going to look and buy this when it's up that percentage? I mean, it's more risky unless someone believes it's going to hit a $10 million percent, or not dollar, I'm sorry, 10 million% increase, which is kind of absurd. But I just wanted to share that with you all, just to take a look that, even some of these coins outside the top 100 could blow up at any moment. You could have a strategy where, you go on some of these lower level, not I would say lower level, but other exchanges that aren't on the radar, like a Yobits, a Nova exchange, Cryptopia. I've started to get on there where there's a lot of these small coins where you could throw like 10, 20 bucks, something really small at it that's worth like 0.0000001 cent. If that blows up to a penny, you're seeing a significant return. But again, the only problem is, can you sell it when it gets there? Because if there's no volume, it's going to be really tough to sell. It really needs to kick off. But that's the risk that I like to take. I'm definitely, I'm a big believer in long-term coins. I'm also a believer now in these short-term mini guys that can blow up out of nowhere. Anyways, this is Crypto Joe. That's all I got to say. Over and out, and take care.